Receive greetings from iOSoft Solutions. This is Red Hill Road, Rosslyn Mall, here at the capital city of Kenya, Nairobi. As always, we thank God for our clients, and we thank our clients so much for choosing and joining the JiPOSTribe. Of course, the number one POS software in Kenya. We say number one because JiPOS is more than just a POS. It comes with irresistible smart features that put you ahead as a business owner by giving you total visibility and control of every area of your business. You need a software that makes other businesses benchmark from you, and that is what JiPOS serves. For hardware shop setup like this one here at Rosslyn Mall, JiPOS plays a crucial role in enabling you to control your stock, streamline your purchases, streamline your financials with its robust accounting feature, of course, create barcodes for your generic items, and generate reports, among other many useful features or tools that it comes with. Just go to www.demo.jipos.co to see the features I'm talking about for yourself. By the way, find time to pass by this shop. You'll get the right tools you need for your plumbing, roofing, and construction works, or even for your home improvement equipment. So just like we normally do it, we came with the computers, already everything pre-configured. Of course, we do the configuration at our offices, including the thermal printers, barcode printers, as well as cash drawers. So when we come to the site, it is just a plug and play. As a ritual, we train you on the very fundamentals to get you started right from the same day one.
It just happens occasionally because you're not putting bundles like every time.
Yes, okay, when we're going into the session of creating bundles.
Yes. So I just attach that. Okay. Let's click OK. Once I click OK, it shall just capture that instance. So I can do control print, control print, and just click this print here. And then this is where we set the quantities I want to print. So this is called export by A30B. I'll set it to pick that particular printer in that particular template. And this is export target. So just specify the quantity you want, and then just click print.
It is easy, nothing complicated, and we ensure that you are able to get sales going, you are able to make purchases, and you are able to do your stock movement right from the day one. Huwa wanasema mwanaume ni nyundo. Pitia hapo ununue nyundo na msumari, and thank us later. Give us a shout out for helping you know there is such a beautiful modern hardware shop in your neighborhood. Until then, stay safe and subscribe.